Do you know when is the best time to buy a TV or winter clothing? The answer lies in the calendar. Yes, that's right, the calendar. As the new year dawns, January clears its shelves with huge discounts on winter apparel and linens in the traditional white sales, and for the tech-savvy, TVs are on sale just in time for the Super Bowl. February, the month of love and taxes, shines with promotions on tax software and post-Valentine's Day jewelry sales. Don't overlook President's Day either, as it brings deals on mattresses and appliances. March blossoms with markdowns on outdoor apparel and Easter sales on spring attire and goodies. And let's not forget the luck of the Irish with St. Patrick's Day sales. April showers bring sales on home goods and appliances, with Earth Day and Arbor Day promotions adding to the mix. May is a month of celebrations and sales, with spring clothing on clearance, Mother's Day gifts on offer, and Memorial Day weekend boasting appliance discounts. June serves up gift card bonuses and discounts on tools and grills for Father's Day, while July lights up with 4th of July sales, Amazon Prime Day, and tax-free weekends in certain states. August rings in the back-to-school season with deals on school supplies, laptops, and summer clothing, while September signals the end of grilling season with discounts on outdoor furniture and appliances. October treats shoppers to discounts on older iPhones and cozy clothing, and November ushers in pre-Black Friday deals on TVs and electronics, leading up to the grand Black Friday sales. December wraps up the year with deals on toys and games for Christmas, online bargains on Cyber Monday, and last-minute Super Saturday sales. Post-Christmas and New Year sales clear the decks for the upcoming year. From the first day of the year to the last, savvy shoppers navigate the ebb and flow of sales and discounts, armed with the knowledge of a shopping calendar. With strategic timing and a keen eye for savings, every day can be the best day to shop.